내게 fly parabola. You tell me all the right things that...
Hey there fellow travelers, welcome back to our vlog series where we explore the most exciting destinations. My name is Bykere and today in this video we will take you through one of the beautiful places of Phuket, Thailand. And we are about to take you in an incredible journey through an vibrant Patong Beach Bangla Walking street. So let's dive right in. This place is right at the heart of Phuket's liveliest street. Bangla Walking Street is renowned for its energetic atmosphere, bustling nightlife, and a wide array of entertainment options. As we walk along, you will be captivated by the colorful sights and sounds that this street has to offer. One of the first things that caught our attention is the mesmerizing street performance who grace the sidewalk of Bangla Walking Street. From the talented dancers, musicians, and playing traditional Thai tunes to awe-inspiring here. There are never a dull moment here at all. Take a look at this incredible street performance. As the sun sets, Bangla Walking Street transforms into a nightlife hotspot. The street comes alive with the neon lights and pumping music and enthusiastic partygoers. From trendy nightclubs to laid-back bars, there is a venue to suit every performance here. So, whether you are in a mood for dancing or simply relaxing with a drink, this vibrant street offers a range of options to suit every taste, with beer starting from just 79 Thai baht. If you take a walk along the street, you will find a variety of options to choose from. There are go-go bars, dance club, live music, ping pong show and much more where you can party hard and have a great time. Moreover, bar girls from various establishments eagerly extend their warm greetings to passerby. While we have personally explored a few spots, it is unfortunate that cameras are strictly prohibited in all of them to keep their privacy. If you are traveling solo or with friends, as a couple or group, don't hesitate to enter any place you like, as it's really safe to all and caters to all genders in the go-go bar. You are guaranteed to have some amazing time. However, though visiting with the family may warrant some hesitation before entering the go-go bars, nevertheless, this street is full of vibrant energy. They can simply relax in the street side bars and enjoy the outdoor performance. The fun knows no limits here. Come guys, let's explore this wonderful street.
it's on now. Marching to the beat of my drum, here doing what I gotta do. No other frequency, channel elevate. Oh yeah, yeah. 이미 가짜도 수없는 느낌도 설레임. Falling hard, 'cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. Oh yeah. 이제 내게 달려와. 그댈 보면 나를 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now.
If you are a fan of shopping, you are in for a treat here. Bangla Walking Street is lined up with countless stalls and shops offering a wide range of items. From unique handicraft to trendy clothing and accessories, you will find something suits every taste. Don't forget to bargain for a best deals here. Now, let's talk about the highlight of any visit to Bangla Walking Street, the delicious street side food. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with the incredible variety of local delicious. From sizzling skewers of grilled meat to spicy pad thai and refreshing fruit shakes, the food here is a paradise for food lovers.
This is the second day that we are coming here, but you know, they have the very nice street food.
You make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through.
While Bangla Walking Street is renowned for its vibrant nightlife, it is important to remember that Phuket has a rich cultural heritage as well. Take a break from the bustling street and explore the nearby temples or catch a traditional Thai dance performance. It is a fantastic way to appreciate the local culture amidst the energetic atmosphere. Super guys, our time here at Bangla Walking Street has come to an end, but the memories that we have made will last for a lifetime. We hope you enjoyed the virtual tour and that it has inspired you to visit Phuket and experience the charm of this incredible street yourself. If you would like to watch more about Phuket, that we have made a separate video of Phi Island tour and Phuket city tour. You can click the icon at the top, then you can watch the video.
It's true.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through Bangla Walking Street. Remember to respect the local customs, stay hydrated, and most importantly, have fun. If you have any questions or if there is anything you would like us to explore in our future vlogs, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventure. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Until next time, happy travel. See you soon. Love you guys.